Hi guys, I have two things for you today. One, it's going to be talking about how to download the Google Hangouts or Meet app. And secondly, I'm going to talk to you guys about etiquette that we need to follow when we're doing video chats. So as you know, we are going into live instruction now. And even if you don't normally do your work on the Google Classroom and you do your work through packets, I strongly encourage you to download this app. When you are on a phone or a tablet and you go into the store, it's going to look like this. So you'll type in either Hangouts or you can type in the word Meet, and this is what should pop up for you. Once you see that, go ahead and click on Get, and then the device will download it. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna click on the icon for it and it's gonna open up like this where it will say Meet, and there's gonna be a sign in button. To sign in, it's very important that you sign in with your student account. So you're gonna put your student ID number at students.alvinisd.net, and then your password will be the same as always, your first initial, last initial, year of birth, and 2 zeros at the end. I've put an example of a fake account at the bottom. And once we're in, so the second thing I want to tell you is video chat etiquette. Please be sure to enter the chat room with a device on mute. Make sure that you're using a device that has been fully charged. Choose a quiet place. That way we can hear you and you can hear the instruction clearly. Please mute your microphone when you're not speaking. And just like we would do in the classroom, only one student should talk at a time. We're going to be respectful of one another. Yes, please raise your hand if you have a comment or a question or an idea that you want to share, and then just wait patiently to be called on. Once you're called on, then I want you to look at the camera so you're speaking to all of us, and speak up and speak clearly. And that has been a little tutorial on the video chat etiquette and how to download the Meets app. If you guys are already logging in with your Google Classrooms, then just look on your Google Classrooms for a link. So a link will be posted every week just to remind you about our instructional videos. Thank you. Bye.